एवरीवन, आज मैं आपके लिए एक नया टॉपिक लेकर आई हूँ जिसका वीडियो बेस्ड है हमारे डिफरेंसेस पे, जो कि हैं इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम वर्सेस कंटिन्यूस प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम। ये टॉपिक हमारा ऑपरेशंस मैनेजमेंट और प्रोडक्शन मैनेजमेंट का है। तो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा। जैसे मैं कोई नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल जाएगा। और प्लीज़ मेरा वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगे तो उसे लाइक ज़रूर करें एंड कमेंट भी करें। तो चलिए अब हम शुरू करते हैं अपने वीडियो के साथ। डिफरेंस बिटवीन कंटिन्यूअस एंड इंटरमिटेंट प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम। Types of plant layout in continuous production system. Product layout is designed keeping in view a separate line for each product. Types of plant layout in intermittent production system. Functional or process layout is considered appropriate. Types of machines in continuous production system. Special purpose automatic machines are used for the standardized operations. Specialized machines are put to use in flow production. Types of machines in intermittent production system. Frequent changes in the machine setup are called for in accordance with the specification of individual's order. Therefore, general purpose machines are more suitable as they are flexible. However, in batch production, special purpose automatic, semi-automatic machines are used. Types of labor in continuous production system. In view of the use of automatic machines, the entire manufacturing activity is rendered to a routine affairs. Under such situations, semi-skilled or even skilled labor can be employed. The maintenance of the plant and machines may be entrusted to a team of experts. Types of labor in intermittent production system. In view of frequent change in machine setup and product design, labor with skill and expertise are required. Routine and maintenance repair work may also be taken care by such experts. Orientation toward risk in continuous production system. It takes reasonable risk. Orientation towards risk in intermittent. Follow rules, do not take risk. Balancing or production capacity in continuous production system. The possibility of lack of balance is plant capacity is rare. Balancing of production capacity in intermittent production system. The possibility of lack of balance in plant capacity is high due to varied product and machines and varied capacity block. Number of products and design in continuous production system. As only one or few products of standard specification are manufactured under this type of process in large volumes, the product line is designed accordingly. Number of products and design in intermittent. As manufacturing of several products in small quantities takes place under this type of process, the product design keeps on changing from lot to lot according to product specification. Changes in machine setup. Manufacturing of standardized product in continuous flow does not require recurring changes in machine setup. As a result, no change in machine setup takes place for a fairly long period. Changes in machine setup and intermittent production system. Manufacturing of several products with varying specifications in small quantities calls for manufacturing to be set up according to the specific order. The result is recurrent changes in the machine setup. Nature and size of order in continuous production system. Standardized products are manufactured in large quantity, expecting the demand to be on a higher side. Identical products are manufactured during each cycle in order to meet the demand. Nature and size of order in intermittent production system. Generally, the orders are for several not standardized products in small quantities. Such orders are not repeated. The manufacturing exercise is taken in accordance with the FIFO principles, that is, first in, first out. Investment on machines and equipment in continuous production system. As the machines are arranged according to the process layout, there are many instances of duplication of machines. In view of the use of semi-automatic and automatic machines, the capital investment tends to be heavy. Investment on machines and equipment in intermittent production system. The machines are arranged in process layout, but there are no instance of duplication of machines. For job production, general purpose machines are required and such investments level tends to be low. However, for batch production, automatic and semi-automatic machines are required, and as such, capital investments happen to be on a higher side. Investment of inventories in continuous production system. As the process is continuous, the material are purchased in bulk. Work in progress level is rather low. In view of the above, material cost per product is low. Investment on inventories in intermittent production system. As the operating cycle comparatively takes more time, standardized material are required for longer period. Work in progress level is rather high. In view of the above, inventory cost per product is substantially high. Material handling equipment in continuous production system. Merchandising, mechanization of material handling is integral part of the process. Use of conveyors, pipelines and other material handling equipment is commonplace. Material handling equipment in intermittent production system. In view of the variety of the product, order for small quantities and varied routes followed by material mechanization of equipment handling is neither cost effective nor feasible. Material handling cost in continuous production system. As the mechanized material handling machines are used, the material handling cost per product is low. As the material are handled manually, which inter alia involves covering long distances also due to backtracking, material handling cost per product is high. Plant maintenance and service in continuous production system. It is absolutely necessary to have an efficient department for the maintenance of plant so that production is not hampered due to breakdown of machines. Plant maintenance and service in intermittent in is desirable to have a separate maintenance department so that the possible loss in case of machine breakdown may be avoided. Production planning and control in continuous production system. Production planning and control is not required to be elaborate or to be become complex. Do smooth operations of routing, scheduling and loading as the product as standardized. Production planning and control in intermittent production system. Production planning and control is elaborate and complex. The routing and scheduling and loading become a complex exercise due to the odd size or the order their own non-repetitive nature different delivery dates. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Please like my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. If you have any queries related to any topic, kindly comment me in the comment section, or if you want me to make a different video, a separate video for you, then comment that topic in the comment section. I'll definitely make a separate video for you. And one more thing, if you want any kind of references, go to the playlist in my channel and go to the playlist. In that, a separate playlist is made of differences. Go to that, you will get all the differences available over there. If you need any of them, please comment me in the comment section. I'll definitely make more for you all. Thank you so much.